Good morning, students. Today we will do our next exercise. The next exercise is of exercise 9.6. Right? This exercise. In this exercise, we will study about the division of weight. So, in today's exercise, our topic is of division. Right? In division means in today's class we will divide the weight. You all know about division, right? Means how you will divide the numbers. So now let's start with the question number first, which is divide the following. There are some parts of given a first question. So now let's start. First part is 6432 gram by 2. Right? By 2 we have to divide. Now let's start dividing. 2 3s are 6, 0, 4 down. 2 2s are 4, 0, 3 come. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So the number which is less than 3, that is 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Now take down 2. See beta, as in my question it is properly visible to you that one by one I am taking one number down. So same like this you have to do in your notebook. आप भी ऐसे ही करेंगे. Properly visible होना चाहिए which numbers we are taking down and how many. So see, here we are taking only one number, so we will no need to put the 0 there. Now in the table of 2, where come 12? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. The 12 come on 6. 2 6 are 12 and 12 minus 12, 0. No number is left here. So answer is this. So answer क्या आएगा आपका? 3216 gram. Never forget to put the units. Clear A part? Now B part. Six 6,639 gram by 3. Right? So choice is here. If you want, you can write the table of 3 and after that you will solve it. 6639. 3 2s are 6 minus 6, 0. Take down 6. 3 2s are 6. Again come here 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Again take down 9. 3 3s are 9. It's 9, 0. So answer is 2213 gram. Right? Now similarly like this, come to C part. That is C part, 6380 gram divided by 4. Right? Now 6380 we have to divide with 4. 4 1s are 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Take down 3. Write the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36 and 4 tens are 40. Now choose the number which is less than 23. That is 20. It is on 5. 4 fives are 20. 3 minus 0, 3. Take down 8. Now choose the number which is near to 38 but less than 38. 36 and 36 is on 9. So 4 nines are 36. 8 minus 6, 2. Take down 0. 20 come. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 20 minus 20, 0. Answer is 1595 and unit is gram. Right? So when you divide 6380 gram by 4, answer is 1595 gram. Right? Now D part. Let's come to D part. 5565 kilogram divide by 5. Right? So first of all, what we do, we will write the table of 5 this side. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50. Now next is divide 5565. 5 ones are 5. 0 take down 5. Again 5 ones are 5. 0 take down 6. Again 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Take down 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. Right? So answer is 1113 kilogram. What comes? 1113 kilogram. Right? Now after this, E part. In E part, 7254 kilogram you have to divide with 6. Right? 7254 kilogram divide by 6. Again we will do the same procedure. First of all, we will write the 6 this side, table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54 and 6 tens are 60. Right? Now let's start dividing. 5 and 4 divide with 6. Right? So first we will take one digit. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Take down 2. 6 2s are 12. Now 0. Right? Now take down 5. But as you can see 5 is less than 6. 5 जो है वो 6 से छोटा है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल टेक टुगेदर 4 ऑल्सो. हम 2 नंबर्स को एक साथ लेंगे. 54. बट बेटा व्हेन यू आर डिवाइडिंग अ नंबर, कंडीशन इज व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग डाउन 2 नंबर टुगेदर, कंडीशन इज कि जब भी आप 2 नंबर्स एक साथ लेके आते हैं नीचे, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, यू हैव टू पुट 1 0 देयर. राइट नाउ 54 इज ऑन 9, so 6 9s are 54. 54 minus 54, 0. Answer is 1209 and unit we use kilogram. Right? In this question आपको क्या लर्न करना है कि जब भी आप 2 डिजिट्स को एक साथ नीचे लेके आते हैं तो क्या करना होता है, आपको यहाँ पे एक 0 पुट करनी होती है. सी एक एक नंबर्स तो आप इजीली लेके आ सकते हैं, आपको यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखना. बट व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग 2 नंबर्स टुगेदर, देयर यू हैव टू पुट 1 0. I hope it is clear to all. Now clear this E part. Now we will do with F part. In F part 6426 kilogram divide by 7. Right? You have to divide it by 7. Now again first what we do, we will write the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. So firstly we will write the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63 and 7 tens are 70. Now 6426 divide by 7. सी बेटा यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट डिजिट है 6 वो 7 से लेस देन है, तो हम हाउ यू विल डिवाइड इट, वी विल टेक 2 डिजिट्स टुगेदर. हम कितने डिजिट्स लेंगे आप, 2 डिजिट्स. Now 7 nines are 63. 4 minus 3, 1. 2 will come down. Now 7 ones are 7. 12 minus 7, 5. Take down 6. 7 eights are 56. So answer is 918 kilogram. Right? So in this question what you have learned that if first digit is less than the divisor, जिससे आप डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, अगर आपकी फर्स्ट डिजिट जो है उससे छोटी है, सो क्या करेंगे आप 2 डिजिट टुगेदर. और इन 2 डिजिट को एक साथ लेने के लिए आपको यहाँ पे 0 पुट नहीं करनी. डोंट राइट 0 हेयर. इफ इन बिटवीन यू आर टेकिंग 2 डिजिट्स टुगेदर डाउन, then there you have to put the 0. अगर आप बिटवीन में मीन्स क्वेश्चन के बिटवीन में 2 डिजिट्स को एक साथ नीचे लेके आ रहे हैं बेटा, तब आपको यहाँ पे 0 पुट करनी होगी. अगर आप स्टार्टिंग में ही 2 डिजिट्स ले रहे हैं तो वो यहाँ पे आपको 0 पुट नहीं करनी. क्लियर माई पॉइंट. नाउ कम टू जी पार्ट. In G part 7 kilogram and 448 gram by 8. Right? So first of all what we do, we will write the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. Right? 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 8 जा 64, 8 9 जा 72 and 8 8 10 जा 80. Now start dividing. 7 kilogram 448 gram. Right, we have to divide with 8. Now as you can see again in this question, फर्स्ट डिजिट जो है वो आपकी क्या है, लेस है 8 से. सो क्या हो गया आपका, किलोग्राम की जो यूनिट है उसको लीव करो. रीज़न क्योंकि 7 किलोग्राम है. किलोग्राम में आपके पास कोई नंबर नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि जो 7 है वो क्या है, 8 से छोटा है. सो नाउ वी हैव टू टेक 2 डिजिट टुगेदर विच इज़ 4 also. So you can write here 0 kilogram. Now 74 से less than 72, 8 9 जा 72, 4 minus 2, 2, take down 4. Now 8 3 जा 24, 0, take down 8, 8 1 जा 8, 0. Unit gram we will put here. So answer is 0 kilogram है. So no need to write, simply आप write करो 931 gram. Right? See this type of questions are जहाँ पे आपको किलोग्राम जो है, देखो किलोग्राम का जो नंबर है वो आपका लेस देन है 8 से, तो हम यहाँ पे कोई भी यूनिट नहीं लिखेंगे. इट मीन्स क्या नंबर आएगा यहाँ पे 0. 7 4 72 से, सो 8 9 जा 72, 4 minus 2, दिस इज अंडर दिस 2, टेक डाउन 4, 8 3 जा 24, टेक डाउन 8, 8 1 जा 8. क्लियर. नाउ आफ्टर G come to H part. In H part you have to divide the number with 9. Now we will do with H part very differently, like this. That is 8 kilogram 145 gram by 9. So first work is write the table of 9. 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18, 9 3 जा 27, 9 4 जा 36, 9 5 जा 45, 9 6 जा 54, 9 7 जा 63, 9 8 जा 72, 9 9 जा 81 and 9 10 जा 90. Right? This is the table of 9. Look beta, when the schools are open you must be learn the table. So now forget about the units, just simply write it. 9 1 digit है, फर्स्टली वी विल चेक 1 डिजिट. दिस इज 8. 8 क्या है आपका, लेस देन 9. लेस देन 9, so we will take 2 digits together. Now 81 is there. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72 and 9 9s are 81. So here will come 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 minus 81 0. Take down 4. Now see 4 जो है that is less than 9. So हम क्या करेंगे, we will take 5 also down. So ये क्या हो जाएगा, 9 5 जा 45, 0. आंसर है आपका 95. नाउ वन मोर क्वेश्चन अराइज हेयर दैट विच यूनिट यू विल पुट हेयर, किलोग्राम और ग्राम. So as you can see, only 2 digits are there, and we know 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram, राइट. सो 1000 से लेस है तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगी आपकी यूनिट ग्राम. सो आंसर क्या है 95 ग्राम, राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In that question you have to divide the number with 9. Divide with 9. I part 6 kilogram 921 gram by 9. सेम फर्स्टली 9 का टेबल लिखते हैं. 9 1 ज़ा 9, 9 2 ज़ा 18, 9 3 ज़ा 27, 9 4 ज़ा 36, 9 5 ज़ा 45, 9 6 ज़ा 54, 9 7 ज़ा 63, 9 8 ज़ा 72, 9 9 ज़ा 81 and 9 10 ज़ा 90. Right? Now again same we will do 6 9 2 1. Divide with 9. So देखो फर्स्ट नंबर इसमें भी लेस देन 9 है. सो हम क्या करेंगे 2 डिजिट्स लेंगे टुगेदर. चेक करो नंबर जो होगा वो लेस देन 69 होगा. देयर 63 एंड इट ऑन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 9 7 ज़ा 63. 9 minus 3 6. टेक डाउन 2. अगेन 63 तो ग्रेटर देन है 62 से, तो हम 62 से लेस देन लेंगे 54. दैट इज ऑन 6. 9 6 ज़ा 54. 12 minus 4 8. Here become 5. 5 minus 5 0. Take down 1. 9 9 ज़ा 81 0. So here comes 7 6 9. Now you have to write the unit. So now from small you have to check 1 2 3. So what come here? Gram. So answer is 769 gram. So clear this question. Answer is 769 gram. So now here first part is over. Now come to the question number second, which is divide the sum of these two numbers. मीन्स जो इन दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करने के बाद सम आएगा उसको क्या करना है, हमें 8 से डिवाइड करना है. सो फर्स्टली हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल ऐड इट. राइट. नाउ द नंबर्स आर 3259 ग्राम, 4229 ग्राम. ऐड करना है, प्लस कर. यूनिट विल बी सेम. 9 + 9 18. 1 goes carry. 5 + 2 7. 7 + 1 8. 2 + 2 4. 3 + 4 7. राइट. दिस इज अबाउट द सम. नाउ क्वेश्चन क्या है आपका, डिवाइड द सम ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स का सम बाय 8. इट मीन्स दिस सम वी हैव टू डिवाइड विद 8. 7 4 8 8 8. Now in the table of 8, 8 1 ज़ा 8, 8 2 ज़ा 16, 8 3 ज़ा 24, 8 4 ज़ा 32, 8 5 ज़ा 40. So first of all 74. Furthermore we have to write 8 6 ज़ा 48, 8 7 ज़ा 56, 8 8 ज़ा 64, 8 9 ज़ा 72 and 8 10 ज़ा 80. Now 74 नहीं है, 72 है. That is on 9. 8 9 ज़ा 72. 4 minus 2 2. 8. 28 is not there. 24 is there. 8 3 ज़ा 24. 8 minus 4, 4. Again take down 8. Now check, is there 48? Yes. That is 8 6 are 48. So answer is 936 gram. Right? Answer is 936 gram. Now question third. Again you have to divide the sum of 5 kilogram 260 gram and 3 kilogram 110 gram by 9. Right? It means again इसमें भी हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है बेटा, सम 5 किलोग्राम 260 ग्राम 3 किलोग्राम 110 ग्राम. सो फर्स्टली ऐड करते हैं. 0 6 + 1 7 2 + 1 3 kilogram 5 + 3 8, which is 8 kilogram 370 gram. Now we have to divide with 9. Again forget about the units, simply write down करो. 8 less than 9, so we will take 2 digits together. 9 9s are 81, 3 minus 1 2, 7 9 3s are 27. Now 0 and here comes 0. See beta, when one 0 is left at that time you have to put the 0 here. आप उस 0 को कहाँ लिखेंगे? अपर साइड in the quotient. Right? When only one 0 is left, then you will write this 0 here. So answer is 930 gram. Clear? Answer is 930 gram. Why I use the unit gram only? Because there are number of digits 3 and 3 digits will come in gram. If here one more digit, तो ये जो डिजिट होती है आपकी किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाती? किलोग्राम में. Clear the concept of units? Now come to the question number 4. Subtract 2100 kilogram from 4500 kilogram and divide the difference by 10. I already told you that when we subtract two numbers, then the answer we call difference. उस आंसर को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Difference of two numbers. So difference 4500 kilogram 2100 kilogram. We have to subtract this. Kilogram will come here. 0 0. 5 minus 1 4. 4 minus 2 2. This is 2400 kilogram and this we have to divide with 10. Right? So let's divide. 10 2s are 20. 4 minus 0 4. Take down 0. 10 4s are 40. 0. Now take down 0. In previous sum I told you, when you are taking 0 down and there is no another number in the question, then what you will do? You will put this 0 here. जब आप 0 नीचे लेके आते हैं बेटा और उसके बाद आपके पास डिवाइड करने के लिए कोई भी डिजिट नहीं होती, तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप इस 0 को यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. राइट? एंड यूनिट इज किलोग्राम. सो आंसर इज 240 kilogram. Right? Answer is 240 kilogram. Clear this question? Now next question, which is subtract 5 kilogram and 900 gram from 9 kilogram and 200 gram. Right? मीन्स किस में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है आपको? 9 किलोग्राम 200 ग्राम में से 5 किलोग्राम 900 ग्राम को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है एंड divide the difference by 5, or after that difference you have to divide by 5. Right? So now firstly what we do, now question is like this. You have to subtract 9 kilogram 200 gram to 5 kilogram and 900 gram, right? Subtract ग्राम 0 0, 2 minus 9 आप सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 12, एंड दिस बिकम 8. 12 minus 9 3 किलोग्राम, 8 minus 5 अगेन 3 किलोग्राम, राइट. नाउ ये क्या है हमारा डिफरेंस. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज डिवाइड द डिफरेंस बाय 5. अगेन क्या करो आप, फॉरगेट अबाउट द यूनिट, सिंपली लिखो 5 6 30, 3 minus 0 3, टेक डाउन 0, 5 6 30, 30 minus 30 0, again what is here 0, and I told you when only single 0 is there you will write this 0 here, and number of digit are 3, 1 2 3. So which unit you will use? We will use here gram, and answer is 660 gram. Clear? So this is the exercise 9.6, which is of divide the weight. In the next class we will do the word problem, which is exercise 9.7.